So hello guys, welcome to Kotlin tutorial blog. Today we will be learning how to make a hello world program in the Kotlin language. So let's just start. So this is the online compiler, Kotlin compiler, that is given by tutorials point coding ground. So in this, first of all, we would be just writing a fun main function with arguments and an array of the string type. After this, we would be coming out, opening the brackets and just writing a print line, and inside the double quotes we would be writing hello world and just closing this with the semicolons. Now we would be running it. Yes, you can see the output. So in this, the explanation of this code is going like this way, that in the above program we have first written the main function that takes the string type array as an argument. In the language Kotlin, we can define a function using the fun keyword. We would be learning about the functions, about the functions in details in the little tutorials. After that, we have just write print line hello world. Now for displaying a message on console or the output screen, we simply write it in double quotes inside the println function, as you can see here, and would be closing it with the semicolon, and that's it. So this is how we can make a program of simple hello world in Kotlin language. So stay tuned for more concepts and more fun related tasks in this Kotlin tutorials blog. So bye bye, and we'll be meeting you in the next video.